All right, to begin with, I got to make sure I have my include statement, my using namespace, std, and then the int main function, as long as with the return 0 at the end of the program. Okay, so best thing, I'm going to start with some variables here, and these are going to be float variables. I'm going to say total sales percentage, or total sales percent is equal to 0.58. We'll say 0.72, and then the next one is going to be total. The next variable is going to be total sales this year. That's going to be set equal to 8.6e, because we're actually, let me change this to 2.7 million, which basically that's what this is, 2.7 e with like 6 zeros. So you see that there, that's how much it is. So that's the cool thing about this Visual Studio Code editor, is that when you hover over it, it tells you what it means. So it's in this case, they're calling it a double, but we called it a float, which is basically the same thing, but the float has less, I think the float has less memory size as opposed to the double. But in any case, this is a 27, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2.7 million. So that's basically what that is. Next variable is going to be total predicted sales, and that's going to be set equal to total sales percent multiplied by total sales this year. All right, like so. Okay, so at this point, next thing I'm going to do is show the information to the user. Here I'm just going to put a new sentence, and I'm going to say have a new line character right at the beginning of that sentence, and I'm going to say total predicted sales equals total predicted sales, which is the actual variable, and then that's it. Let me put an end line, which is a line break at the end, and I'll put another line break. All right, so that should be it right there. Now to run the program, there's a squiggly line right here. That means that there's an error somewhere, which if I highlight over it, it tells me expected a semicolon on wherever it is. So I kind of look back right here. There it is. There's a missing semicolon. Okay, so I need to run this program. Open an integrated terminal. There's a terminal. It's open to the directory that this file is in. The directory is basically the file name. So here it's called C++ programming. Here it's called C++ programming. So the terminal is open in this file right here. Okay. So in order to compile this program and have it within memory, so I'll say C++, and then put the file name, which in this case is 000.cpp. If you see it right here, there's the name of the file right there, and then you just hit enter. It compiles the program in the background. If there's any errors at this point, you'll see errors there, but there's no errors at this point. So I'm going to run the program. I'm going to say ./.a.out. Okay, total predicted sales equals this much.